For some of our users, the parking mode duration of time-lapse recording mode was still not enough, so we created Energy Saving Mode 1.0, and we are proud to be the only dashcam manufacturer to provide this parking mode feature. In the Energy Saving mode, the dashcam enters a sleep mode to conserve the vehicle's battery life and wakes up when an impact is detected to save the footage instantaneously. The incident file in Energy Saving mode starts a second after the impact and records 20 seconds after. The Energy Saving Mode 1.0 can protect your vehicle for up to 72 hours before powering down. Some people, especially due to the pandemic, do not drive their vehicle on a daily basis, so Energy Saving Mode is ideal for users who want surveillance while their vehicle is parked for extended periods of time. This is where Energy Saving Mode comes in, as it allows our dashcam to efficiently consume power, maximizing parking mode duration.